charging cable, a metal plate or an adapter is for your action camera. Also some screws and a bracket. Now setting the gimbal up is pretty easy, but you do have to balance your gimbal first. So what I mean by that is you chuck your phone inside. So notice how it's my left heavy. Now all you have to do is with this piece right here, loosen it and pull it to the opposite side so it's nice and centered. Just like that. Screw it back nice and tight. So on the gimbal, you'll notice here that there's an analog here, and that controls the up and down, side to side movement of the gimbal. You have the power button, you have the mode, your zoom in and out, your shutter button at the back here to take your photos, start record, stop record, as well as your cable inputs here. So you can actually connect your phone to your camera, sync it together, and it actually charges your phone at the same time. Hold the gimbal flat and turn it on. Right, so let's try the pattern setting. There you have it, easy as. The XS gimbal by Kaiser Baas. Again, it's very easy to use. The functions on it is very straightforward and basic, and it's an awesome gimbal. And if you guys have any other questions, just refer to this user manual right here. That should sort you right out. But for now, my name is Nani. I'm going to peace out. Stay jiggy.